Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a rare gem from the golden age of Italian craftsmanship, the 1960 Siata Nardi 750GT. This compact and elegant coupe wasn't just another sports car, it was a hand-built piece of art, a fusion of Nardi's engineering brilliance and Italian passion for performance. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this little beauty so special. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1960 Nardi 750GT is a striking example of postwar Italian design. Its sleek, low-slung body, designed by Michelotti and often built by Carrozzeria Amato, captures that perfect balance of elegance and aggression. The front end is minimal yet expressive, with a delicate chrome grille and round headlights that give it a charming, almost human-like face. Its sculpted fenders and smooth curves flow beautifully into the compact rear, highlighting its aerodynamic profile. The car sits on lightweight alloy wheels, enhancing both its appearance and handling. Despite being small, it has an undeniable presence, pure Italian style wrapped in simplicity and precision. Interior. Now, moving inside to the interior. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by a world that perfectly mirrors the car's character, light, purposeful, and beautifully detailed. The handcrafted dashboard features classic analog gauges, clean metal surfaces, and Nardi's signature wooden steering wheel, a true piece of automotive art. Seats are simple but well bolstered, wrapped in high-quality leather that emphasizes both comfort and sportiness. Every detail inside the 750GT serves a purpose, focusing on the pure driving experience rather than luxury. It's intimate, driver-centered, and connects you directly with the car. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of what makes the Nardi 750GT so admired by collectors today. Under its small but mighty hood sits a 750cc Fiat-derived engine, tuned by Nardi for improved breathing and performance. It produced around 47 horsepower, which might sound modest today, but with its featherweight construction, barely 600 kilograms, it could reach speeds close to 150 kilometers per hour. The 4-speed manual transmission offered a smooth yet engaging feel, making it a joy to drive on winding European roads. Its nimble chassis, light steering, and precise suspension gave it agility that many larger cars could only dream of. This wasn't about raw power, it was about finesse, balance, and connection between driver and machine. And finally, the conclusion. The 1960 Siata Nardi 750GT stands as a symbol of Italian innovation and artistry during a time when cars were crafted by passion, not mass production. It's a rare masterpiece that embodies what makes vintage Italian sports cars so enchanting: timeless beauty, mechanical purity, and a driving experience that feels alive. Today, it's a collector's dream, not just for its rarity, but for the story it tells, a story of ambition, craftsmanship, and the relentless pursuit of perfection in a tiny, unforgettable package. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip into the world of classic Italian engineering, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive legends, and tell us in the comments, would you take the Nardi 750GT for a weekend drive through the Italian countryside?